Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 66. I see this row right here is only missing a 3. If we look at this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 9, 5 here, so 4, 9, and no help here, 4, 5, 9. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 9, no help here, 4, 6, 9, 6 here, so 4, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got the 7 here, so 4, 6. 4 covering these two boxes, so 6, 7, 6, 7. That means the only place the 4 can be in that column is here. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. Got a 3 here, so 5, 9, 5 here, so 3, 9. But now if we look at that column, the only place the 3 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, 8, and 9. We've got the 8 and 9 here, so 3, 6, same here, 3, 6, 3 and 9 here, so 6, 8. Now if we look, the only place the 8 can be in this column is here. The only place the 9 can be is here. That 9 makes this our 4, 6. For this column now, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 9 here, so 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got the 2 here, it's 7 here, so this is our 9. That 2 makes this our 7, 2. That 2 makes this our 6, 2. That 6 makes this our 3, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this column now, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 2 covering here and a 2 covering here, so our 2 must be here. But I'm not seeing any other help. So 4, 6. 4, 6, and with that 9 we can get rid of this 9, which means this row is missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. That 5 makes this our 9, 4, 6, 4. And that 9 makes this our 5. For this box now, we're just missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 6. 2 here, so 3, 2. For this column, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. That 6 makes this our 7, 6. And for this box now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 7, 9 here, so 8 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.